Welcome to the program from Expert SEM on knowledge terms related to supply chain, logistics and purchasing. Today we are going to see a topic on MRP, Material Requirement Planning. By using this process, it is possible to plan the required material at the required time, and this takes care of the requirement at component level. These are set of techniques that uses bill of material data, inventory data and master production schedule to calculate the requirement for materials. This makes recommendation to release replenishment orders for the material. Further, because it is time-based, it makes recommendation to reschedule open orders when due dates and need dates are not in phase. Time-phased MRP begins with the item listed on MPS and determines the quantity of all components and material required to assemble those items and the date that the components and the material are required at the assembly site. Time-phased MRP is accomplished by exploding bill of material, adjusting for inventory quantities on hand or on order, and offsetting the net requirement by appropriate lead times. So you see there are a lot of calculation taking place. The system has to consider the quantity provided by previous process, for example master production schedule at a end product level, but this has to be broken into component level by using bill of material, and also it has to check the inventory quantity available both in your organization and also what is already ordered, and then it is going to schedule based on when you need the final product and accordingly schedule this item. MRP is a process which uses the software tool called ERP for planning, because in a complex situation you may require thousands of components to make one end product and it may not be possible to manually calculate it. That's where you need a system to support, but if you understand the process behind the ERP, then it is easier to plan the material in a correct way. Thanks for watching. Bye.